you will see the fears Kenyans had in the making of the Constitution, that the political elite would mess with the 2010 Constitution much more the way they had messed with the Independence Constitution through hyper amendments. This history is important in evaluating what is happening. When my learned friend, Mr. Senior Counsel Orengo and Senior Counsel Amolo were here, they were happy to state they were part of the constitutional review. I would like to say that I have lived that history too. And why I'm doing this, because the court has been told that the Constitution of Kenya 2010 is a political settlement. It's quite clear from the mandate given to the Committee of Experts in that act. What the Committee of Experts was doing was to rely on all the documents, all the views given by Kenyans, and to resolve the contentious issues, and to ensure that the review process faithfully reflected the will of Kenyans. So when we are told that it's a political settlement, far from it. Constitutions exist to limit the exercise of authority. And this does not appear to be understood or taken into consideration by the executive in Kenya, and indeed by many state entities and state officers. Modern dictators, especially in Africa, are using the Constitution or constitutional amendments as a special purpose vehicle to claw away on civil liberties and democratic gains. And we have examples all around us, even in the sub-region, where extension of presidential terms through constitutional amendments have been happening. The point I'm making, my lords, is that while pretending to observe the Constitution, the political elite will use amendments, constitutional amendments, to ensure that they extend their stay in power